know it. Vegas, Consumer Electronics Show. All right, see you later. How you doing, buddy? What's the damage?
518.
518? Wow, you guys are raising the rent. Oh boy, it's good to be back relaxing in SoCal. I don't mind to drive up. One of the things that I've learned being in this Class C 20-foot Damon Hornet 1994. Need new seats, I think, you know, captain's chair, all that good stuff. Ride's a little uncomfortable, and it definitely needs shocks, some kind of stabilization, because the boat is rocks, like, you know, really good. But it gets you where you're going. I'm knocked down in my Damon Hornet, knock on wood. She gets me where I'm going. Gonna get a tune-up on it. But when we went to Vegas, the wind was, like I said, it was about 100 miles. It was just so bad. So when the wind is heavy like that, you got to slow down. Then you got to take a stop. I don't like driving. I mean, I could drive. I've driven from here to Oregon, 13-hour drive in one day. But I like to relax. I'm you know, I'm not in a hurry to go anywhere. That's why I do the camp host thing and do all this other stuff. So I'll drive 4 or 5 hours, and then I'll pull over right before it gets sunset. I'll pull over even sooner than that if I like to find a spot that's on the water. It's got to be on the water, the river, the ocean, one of those environments. I did, but Vegas was a pain in the butt. That drive up there was just ridiculous. 6 hours, and it took a couple hours in the night. I mean, in the dark, and it's just uncomfortable. The trucks are fighting you. You're racing with the trucks in and out. They're coming. You know, the trucks drive. Hey, they drive. They go around you. They come in front of you, then they stop, and then you go around them. It's a big joke. But got to Vegas, all was good there. You guys saw that last video I did on the Consumer Electronics Show. I want to thank, again, I want to thank that partner, my All Powers, for sending me 2 tickets to that show. That was a game changer. That was fun. I hope next year I'll go again. It's a lot of people there. Very crowded. Very expensive. Coffee's like $5, $6, $7 a cup of coffee. There's no reason for it to do that. They take, but you know, the event center has to make their money too, I'm sure. But I could have stayed in a hotel, nice little hotel. You know, that when it's Consumer Electronics Show, freaking hotels like, you know, $400 a night with all the other stupid taxes and charges and all that. I paid $65 a night. I was four miles from the show. I lifted to the show for $15 each way, $30. You know, what am I gonna do? All done. San Clemente, California. Checking my P.O. box, got that done. I did a live scan today for the state park hosting gig coming up, hopefully in March in Carpinteria, whatever the heck that name of that park is. Checked my mail, P.O. box, updated my Social Security, set up myself for a physical coming up next month. Got a lot of things done today. Gonna hop on the old e-bike, head. Oh guys, I dropped the phone. You know what? Didn't crack it. Thank God for these covers. Only dropped it like 4 times this month or this week. Figure out what to do today. Got to clean things up, make sure everything's squared away. Got the whole month of February to take care of some business. I think I got like 3 product reviews to do coming up also, so I'm working on locations for that. I want to thank the commenters about my last video I did at the CES. Thank you very much. And they wonder why I delete some of the comments that I get. I just delete a bunch of them. As I reply to the comment, I usually delete it. I usually reply to a comment and I delete it. And then this way it's easier for me to keep track of who I would comment, because I usually like to reply to everybody's comment. You know what I'm saying? I hate when people comment about stuff, and then when I comment on other videos, I don't hear a reply from the person, which, you know, I got to understand. I only get, you know, probably 4,000 views a video compared to some of these guys that get 100,000 views and 50,000 and they get 800 comments. I don't see how they can reply to them. So I reply as many as I can, and hopefully you guys reply to each other, or you can let me know what you think about the video. All right, guys, chow time. Chow time. Beach Hut, great sandwich, guys. They're located in North Beach in San Clemente, California. Awesome sandwich. Let's crack that thing open. Let's watch a nice little Nicolas Cage movie. And let's get down to some lunch. Starboard bow, spent the night here down in Doheny State Park. It's right next to the San Juan Capistrano Beach day use area. Real easy, convenient. Beautiful spot right by the ocean. You can hear the waves at night. So I'm just going to pack this thing up and I'm going to drive the motorhome back over to the beach because I like being parked right on the beach, checking out the beautiful ocean. So let me get this Hornet ship shape and we'll get back. Doheny State Park, guys. I'm in space number 95, which is right by the ocean. You can see that hopefully through the trees there. Great spot. They've got a lot of, they got over 100 spaces here, but no hookups, boys. And that's why it's important to get them solar generators going. No hookups. They got showers, bathrooms, no laundry. Like I said, guys, no hookups, but there is a dump and a fresh water on the way out. And they charge you $10, guys. So I'm down here by the ocean, hanging out. I'm gonna put this bike in the motorhome and go hang out down by the beach. This 200-watt panel is awesome. This thing, I just put it up, hooked it up to this RVer. This thing's getting 183 watts, guys. Come on. I haven't had any 200-watt panel. It's got damages in the front steps on it because I did a review of this thing. I don't know how long ago I did the review on this 200-watt panel. It is kick-ass. It's my 200-watt go-to. Got damage on it from me walking on it when I was doing the video. 183 watts right now, guys. Just pull that sucker right out. Now it's down to 179, but come on. Down here at the beach, hanging out. Went for a bike ride. Beautiful location. It's too bad this thing closes at 10 p.m. It's be an awesome spot, and then I'm sure people would overdo it and kill it and then end up closing it, but the Hornet's ready. Getting this thing ready. Gonna do a hosting trip coming up, and she's looking good. Got a couple things I need to do. Still want to get rid of that couch. So anybody know? Got one of those jackknife couches, and they're just a pain in the ass. I just don't like the comfort of it. I wish I can get rid of it and find something more comfortable. And yeah, because I need a chair or something in there to watch TV, and that couch is very uncomfortable to watch TV on. Could be my old ass body too, but there you go, guys. That's how I boondock. That RVer's not anything big, but it's what I use to hook TV up, you know, do everything. I can run the whole RV on that thing. Refrigerator, TV, and laptop and stuff. You know, you got to charge it every couple of days, but I got a couple extras in there that I use to hook them up. But that's the way to go, guys. Alright, Starboard, I'm going to end this video right here. I got to take care of a couple of things down south on San Clemente. Got to work on trying to get the starter replaced on that Hornet before I take off in March. Everything other than that is looking good. Beautiful day down here in Dana Point. If you guys ever want to check it out, come on down. It's between Camp Pendleton and Orange County. Very easy to find. So I'm going to go ahead and lock this up. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and please, guys, send me a comment. Let me know what you think about the Hornet. Let me know what you think about the videos. I'm trying to get as much information videos up there on boondocking, those kind of things. Also, check out my product reviews, and thank you guys for sending me those products. I really appreciate it because I know my subscribers and viewers like them. Sorry, guys, for the noise, but we go. Somebody's riding the train. I love the train. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow.